Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera scan QR code on Infinix Smart 10 Plus or Smart 10 HD. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app and click on this settings icon. Scroll down and you will see turn on QR code and turn off QR code. Turn on or turn off QR code 1 to 3 times. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on camera app. Click on camera app and click on force stop. After click on force stop, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache camera app. Go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. If you want to fix this problem, so again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.